morning and welcome to the Baler Bulletin. My name is Ryan Underwood.
And I'm Racer Ways.
William James is an American philosopher, historian, and psychologist, and the first educator to offer a psychology course in the United States. James is considered to be a leading thinker of the late 19th century, one of the most influential philosophers of the United States, and the father of American psychology.
He observed that most people never run far enough on their first win to find out they've got a second.
Dear senior students, this is a reminder that this Thursday, September 29th, 2022, South County Cal Soap and Hollister High School invite seniors and their families to Financial Aid Parent Night via Zoom on Thursday, September 29th from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Prepare and start the financial aid process early. This event will provide an overview of financial aid programs available to all families and help you understand the application process. We look forward to seeing you there. September 29th, 2022, 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Meeting code 575-532-0205. The passcode is SCCC.
Joke break.
What did the duck say when they bought lipstick?
Put it on my bill.
Why didn't they just pay the bill? I get it.
Look up there. It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's a rocket. STEM Club will launch water bottle rockets after school in T-1 week. Takeoff is Tuesday, September 27th in room 537 at 3:15 on Science Campus. We will have snacks and also be holding elections for club officers. The pressure is on, so don't miss out. We hope to see you there.
The meeting for the trip to Peru with Mr. Campbell has been postponed for the time being. Please watch the Daily Bulletin for updates on this important meeting for an exciting adventure in 2024.
That's it for today's bulletin. Thanks for watching, and
remember,
go
go
Balers!
Balers!